Alright, this is going to be a video of me showing off the things I have done to my 2017 Daytona 392 Charger. So first thing I'm going to start with is my retrofitted headlights. They have color changing RGB white amber sea lights and RGB white projectors with upgraded projectors that are clear lens and have Retroshop logo etched into the lens. Also, the housing itself has color match to the exterior of the car. The sea light also has a switchback function, so it acts as a turn signal, so a double turn signal of the normal one that's here plus the sea light all the way around. It's kind of hard to see in the sun, but there you go, flashes too. I just need to show off my headlights cycling. Retroshop headlights, fully done up. Alright, I also forgot to show off that I put green LEDs under each door. Kind of hard to see, but each door has green LED on it. Also changed over the trunk ones to white LEDs. All those LEDs are from Superbrightleds. As for under the hood, I have painted strut covers. I have a lot of American Brothers stuff, so I got coolant cap. I have the oil cap, painted half covers, dipstick cover, dipstick. I also have fuse cover, fuse box cover done. I also have the struts, hood struts done. I also have the 3 knobs done on the radio. They're done too, by American Brothers Designs. I also have from S&M Performance the badge overlays. I got one on the steering wheel. Also have the one done on the dash too, right here. Also have Luxe Auto sidemarker medium tint on the front markers and the rear markers. I also have the Luxe Auto Taillight medium tint, color matched Dodge in the back. Also have, you know, the best of all, muffler delete and winter setup, winter wheels, winter tires. And the last thing I got done is a window tint, 5% on all windows, including the sunroof, and clear on the windshield, nothing on the windshield. That's pretty much everything done to the car for now. A few little things left. Oh, painted, color matched front Daytona badge done too. That's pretty much everything.